we have arrived to next year's theme, 2025-2026. This is also taken from your feedback. If you all remember, those who were present in JLP May, we had asked you all that what would like to have a theme, and we have got huge number of responses, a variety of responses, and then that's what Jyoti was talking about. We did a lot of brainstorming, and then as we were doing brainstorming and discussion through those topics, those inputs which y'all have given, it kind of all narrowed down to one which we have picked up for 2025-2026. Can we have the shorter clip, please? So, celebrating Bharat, land of cultural diversity, is going to be the theme for 2025-2026. Values and the need to be rooted to our values. This theme would actually give that impetus to do that with ease, with elan. We will be focusing a lot on this theme throughout the curriculum spaces, throughout special days, throughout talking about culture from various parts of the country. And if you recall the 12 characters which we had for global citizenship, we had 12 very cute characters which each had a certain skill set. Sahana, then Jugadu, Gadget Guru, and then Khoji, Rangili. So those were the characters, each had individual character traits. This poster which you have seen will be handed over to each and every student as part of their book set. So each student will get this poster to be kept at home. But there are also 12 characters over here, if you saw in the poster. So a little bit more detailed of who these characters are and what are they doing. We have a slightly longer video, which I'll request Jyoti to play.
Bharat, a land of stories, vivid colors, and endless adventures. In honoring and celebrating Bharat, the land of diversity, we are delighted and proud to host various activities and year-long engagements involving all stakeholders of SET, MR, Jaipuria schools. Let's explore some states of our diverse Bharat with Khoji, joined by his 12 amazing friends from across the states.
Welcome to Punjab, the home to Golden Temple, where we celebrate Lohri with bonfire and relish Sarsoda Saag with makke di roti.
To the northeast of Punjab is the beautiful Ladakh, the base of the Himalayas famous for its beauty, Shondol dance, thukpa, momos, and butter tea.
Displaying Mughal architecture, the Taj Mahal stands tall in Uttar Pradesh, origin to the famous dance form Kathak, and food like litti and gujia.
In eastern India, we have Jharkhand, with majestic waterfalls and dense forests, indigenous dance forms, and undiscovered eats like dhuska and chilka roti. Welcome to West Bengal, with the magnificent Victoria Memorial, where Durga Puja fills hearts with devotion. Oh, and don't forget to taste Roshogulla and fish fry.
And here's Assam, home to Kaziranga National Park, and the lively rhythms of Bihu dance. Relish the flavors of khar and the sweetness of pitha.
Next up is Arunachal Pradesh, where sacred monasteries inspire peace and colorful folk dances bring traditions to life. Savor the unique flavors of PK Pila and Chura Sabji.
Sharing border with Myanmar is Manipur, with ancient temples as symbols of devotion and Manipuri dance. Seva Sahau Kheer, Iromba, and Paknam, a true feast of Manipuri flavors.
On the west is Gujarat, where Statue of Unity stands tall. And who hasn't heard of the Garba, Dhokla, Fafra, and Thepla?
Towards the south is Karnataka, where the ancient ruins of Hampi tell stories of a glorious past and the Ugadi festival. The neer dosa and flavorful putrod, true tastes of Karnataka.
Welcome to Andhra Pradesh with rich heritage and the graceful Kuchipudi Downs. Seva Gongora Pachri and Atreyapuram Putrekulu.
And the southernmost state Tamil Nadu, with the grand temples of Madurai and the Pongal festival that truly fills the air with joy. Home to our favorite breakfast option dosas and sweet Elanir payasam.
Khoji's journey has uncovered the vibrant threads of Bharat's culture. This is our Bharat, a land of infinite wonders.
So Khoji was character from Global Citizenship, and the trait which Khoji has is he's very curious. So that's why we picked up Khoji, and now Khoji is on a journey across India, and the characters that you see, the 12 characters are there. Each of them are state animals or birds, and they are wearing their state attire. So I hope that this video, and obviously more literature will follow suit, will give you enough ideas to hold events at your schools. Especially I plea that you consider having the same theme for your annual days. Okay? Thank you very much.